Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Rocks with Shivaji Bundela. Today I will discuss you very important topic. Topic name is product recall. What is the recall and how many type of recall in the pharma industry? I will tell you. Recall means any defect products, any batch are not meeting with specification and specification limits. Any contamination is there. After sending the product in market, we will do analysis and we observe abnormal results. Any abnormality, then we call that product is called recall. Now I will tell you recall introduction. Recall is an action taken to withdraw, remove the drug from distribution or use, including corrective action for which deficiency are reported in quality, efficacy or safety. The defective product related to quality include not of standard quality, adulterated or spurious drugs. Safety and efficacy related recall include serious adverse reaction and death. Recall also include drug prohibited under the provision of Drugs Cosmetic Act and also those product for which product license are suspended and cancelled also. Rapid alert system is transmit only those alert whose urgency and seriousness cannot permit any delay in transmission. Assessment must be made of the seriousness of the defect, its potential for causing harm to the patient or harm to animal in case of veterinary product, consumer, operator and the environment. If we are not following that product recall guideline, any consumer can do case against the company and cancel the license and close the company also. That's the reason court also makes some act. That act I will define you. In the Drug Cosmetic Act rules, there are reference of product recall complaint and adverse reaction in para 27 and 28 of Schedule M and also condition of license for defective product recall in the Rule 74J and Rule 78I, but effective and uniform recall produced with timeline at every level of supply chain in required and but present auditing and accountability is not in place. This has been observed in instance where drug declared as not a standard quality by government analyst, incident where serious adverse effect or death have been reported in case banned drug under section 26A, defective where in voluntary in the manufacturer withdraw drug from the market. Some definition is there related to product recall. I will define you. Recall, removal or correction of marketed product for the reason relating to the deficiency in quality, safety or efficacy, including labeling considered to be in a violation of the law, is called recall. Batch recall, process for removal of selected batch of a product which are found to be defective and pose health risk to the consumer if left in the market is called batch recall. Batch lot, a specific quantity of material product in a process of or series of process so that it's accepted to be a homogeneous within a specified limit is called batch lot. Customer, any person, firm, any party buying received goods from the company for storage distribution is called customer. Voluntary recall, a recall initiated by the license in case of non-license jointly the contract giver and contract acceptor as a result of abnormal observation in any product quality during periodic review, internal and external, or investigation of the market complaint or any other failures. Statutory recall, a recall directed by a drug control authorities after notifying that product is considered to be in a violation of the law. Example, declared as not a standard quality by government analyst and banned under 26A of Drug and Cosmetic Act in 1940 as amended from time to time and as well as contravention of a Rule 104A of Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945. What is the timeline of the recall product and rapid alerts in pharma industry, and which section is coming under High Court law? The recall has to be initiated immediately without any prejudice of the outcome of Section 25(3) and Section 25(4) of the Drug Cosmetics Act 1940 for adducing the evidence. The timeline for stopping sale distribution of defective product under Class 1 shall be ensured within 24 hours and the physical recall being completed within 72 hours. The Class 2 and Class 3 recall shall be ensured up to 10 days and up to 30 days respectively. In that High Court sanction, we will call that our product from the market. Its timeline also is there. Which class belongs to our product, we will recall that our product within the timeline. Levels of recall. The levels or depth of recall a product batch shall be determined based on the recall classification and level to which distribution has taken place. There are 3 levels of recall such as consumer, user, retailer and wholesale. Who is consumer or user level, which may vary with product including any intermediate, wholesale or retail level. Consumer or user may include individual consumer, patient, physician and hospitals. It's called consumer. Retail level recall to the level immediately preceding consumer or user level. It includes retail, groceries, pharmacies, hospital, pharmacies, dispensing physician institutions such as clinics and nursing homes etc. Wholesale levels. All distribution levels between the manufacturer and retailers are called wholesale level. Now I will define you what is the Class 1, Class 2 and Class 3. Recall classes. In case of not a standard quality drug, the recommendation of 39th DCC guideline for category A, B and C may be accordingly adopted for Class 1, Class 2 and Class 3 until further recommendation. If any, all banned drugs and products for which license is suspended, cancelled, which are in circulation in market shall be considered to the Class 1 recall only. Class 1 recall is a situation in which there is a reasonable probability that the use of or exposure to a defective product will cause serious adverse health consequence or death, and as well as banned under 26A Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 is called a Class 1. What is the Class 2? Class 2 is a situation in which the use of exposure to defective product may cause temporary adverse health consequence or where the probability of serious adverse health consequence is remote, called Class 2. Class 3 is a situation in which the use of exposure to a defective product is not likely to cause any adverse health consequence is called Class 3. So that is the summary of product recall. You understand better what is the recall, why we are calling that product, because we are making life-saving drugs for patient health, not a death. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.